Hello students, in today's lecture session we will cover advertising budgeting. We will also cover the factors that influence the advertising budgeting, then the process of making an advertising budget, then various methods used for preparation of advertising budgeting. For any feedbacks and queries, you can contact on my email. Advertising budget is the plan that projects how much money the business organization has on its disposal and how the business organization is going to spend that money on various advertising activities. So we can say that advertising budget set a limit of spending on advertising activities. Advertising budget provides the monetary information of advertising. The advertising budget of any business organization should concentrate on the two aspects. The number one is it should be constructed considering the financial strength of the organization, means that it should be made as per the funds available with the organization. Then the second is specific operational activities should be identified and detailed allocation of funds should be specified for all those activities. The advertising activities for which the budgeting is done include the expenses related to payment of salaries, for buying media slots, for preparing of advertisement, then for other day-to-day expenses which occur during the preparation of advertisement. These are some of the important factors that influence the advertising budgeting. The first one is availability of funds. So this one is the most basic and most important factor that influence the formation of advertising budget. The funds availability sets the limit for preparation of advertising budget. Then the second one is market size. So if the market size or the market share of a business organization is large, then advertising budget also requires a large amount of funds to cover that whole market. Then is the type of product. For example, if the product is seasonal, that is its demand arises only in either winter season or summers, then advertising budget is also allocated accordingly. Then is the product life cycle. As we know that the product life cycle has 4 stages, that is the introduction, which is the starting stage, then is the growth, maturity and the decline. So when the product is in introduction stage, the advertising high, or we can say heavy advertising costs are required, or we can say that for introduction of new product more advertising budget is required. Then is the competition. The spending done by the competitors also influence the advertising budget of a business organization. We can often seen that the competitors like the Coca-Cola and the PepsiCo spends similarly on the advertising campaigns. Then the next comes the type of media. So as we know that there are different types of media available, like the different types of print media and electronic media. So the choice of media also depends upon the availability of advertising funds. Then is the frequency and the slot of advertisement. So by the term frequency, we mean that how many times the advertisement is repeated on a channel or in a newspaper or any other print media. And by the slot, by the term slot, we means that at what time the advertisement will be shown to the audience. For example, the slots during the holidays or during the major events like IPL are very costly as compared to the normal slots. Then is prevailing economic conditions. So the spending on advertisements also depends upon the prevailing economic conditions within the country. The advertising budget are also prepared in keeping in mind the present economic condition of the country. So we can say that during budget preparation, all these factors should be properly studied so that the accuracy in advertising budget can be achieved. The advertising budget is performed and maintained by a advertising department, and the advertising manager is mainly responsible for making and controlling the budget. So this is the advertising budget process, which starts with the first step, that is preparation of budget. So advertising budget is prepared and designed by the advertising manager, who is assisted by the other advertising personnel. And during this step, the advertising manager or the advertising departments should identify various should identify various advertising activities for which the budget allocation is required, and the total cost of such activities is the amount required for a advertising budget. Then the second step is presentation of budget. So the budget prepared by the advertising department is presented before the top management. The top management can be a finance committee or a budget committee, depending upon various organizations. Then the third step is approval of budget. So once the budget is prepared and presented before the concerned authority or a budget committee, so it is the duty of the budget committee to see that budget is affordable, need based or justified. The budget committee can suggest some changes into the budget before approving it. Then the fourth step is implementation. So once the budget is approved by the budget committee, it is allocated to the department and advertising department, and the advertising department can further allocate for various other activities, like it can allocate for different product lines, different product items or media, or even to different sales territories, depending upon their justification. Then the last and the most important one is evaluation, or we can say feedback and controlling. So after allocating of advertising budget to all the various activities of advertising, so it is the duty of the advertising manager to maintain and control the expenditure, means the advertising expenditure. And if something is going outside that limit, then corrective action should be taken, so that budgeting expenses should be controlled. So this is the 5 steps by which the advertising budget is prepared and implemented. Various organizations can use different methods depending upon their requirement to calculate the advertising budget. So these are some of the main methods which the business organizations use these days for preparing their advertising budgets. The first one is percentage sales method. So under this method, the top management decides the percentage of sales that should be spent on advertisement. For example, the top management decides that 20% of sales will be spent on the advertisement, and if the sales of the organization is, let's say, 1 lakh, then it will spend approximately 20,000 on the advertising budget. So here the advertising budget of a business organization will be rupees 20,000. Second is objective or task method. So in this case, the advertising objectives are set, and then various tasks are identified to fulfill or achieve those objectives. We can say that this is the objective oriented method for preparation of advertising budget. It considers advertising as an investment. Then is affordable method. This method is very simple. It means that the business organization will spend on advertising as per the availability of funds. Then next comes the past year percentage method. In this method, a certain percentage is added to the last year advertising expenditure, considering the increase in advertising cost in the present year. In this case, the business organizations also expects the sales to increase rapidly as compared to the last year. Then comes the return on investment method. So this method is quite different from all other methods that we have discussed. So it considers advertising as an long-term investment. So advertising will result in more sales and profits during the coming years. And during this method, the business organization will spend on advertisement till the return on investment. So listen it carefully, that the business organization will spend upon advertisement till the return on investment is more than the normal rate of return. So this is return on investment method. Then is the competitive parity method. So in this case, the business organization spends on its advertising campaigns or prepares its advertisement budget as the competitor spends, or or we can say that the budgets prepared by a business organization is similar to its competitors. So these are some of the important methods used for preparation of advertising budget. Sometimes the combination of two or more methods is also used to improve the accuracy of the advertising budgets. So in the end, these are some of the important questions which are related to advertising budgeting. So this is all for today's lecture session. Thank you.